how to install WhatsApp app in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. First of all, check your internet connection is work properly. So click on utilities folder and click on Safari. Yes, my internet connection is work properly. So after the procedure, go back to home screen and click on App Store. Now here click on search WhatsApp. And click on WhatsApp and click on get. After click on get, your WhatsApp is download install. So you will see WhatsApp is here. So that's how you can install WhatsApp app in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.